Welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to be doing an unboxing of Maria Killam's VIP color collection. I'm very excited about this one because as much as I love neutrals and whites are so popular and on trend right now, I also love color. So let's do this. Drum roll please. The VIP collection of Maria Killam. Maria's VIP collection, neutrals, colors, and darks. So similar to the other guidelines that she had there for you, Maria explains how to use the color boards, and she also has the color boards with the codes, and if they're different from Canadian code to the US code. Okay, so here we go, the VIP collection. As much as I was excited about the neutrals, ooh, I don't like to cut this. I do love color, so I'm excited, especially since they've added newer colors since I last got mine. Ooh, and look at this one already. Caliente. First one. Whew, so if that doesn't grab your attention, I don't know what will. So Caliente was the Benjamin Color of the Year a couple of years ago. So here we have the board. It's 11 across by 14 inches long. And again, every one is labeled with the name and the code. The other thing that Maria always suggests, so I always do this, is that when you are using your boards, you can flip a board over if you want to put a white background in behind it. So if you don't have a white background to show a client, otherwise you will be comparing to the color that is currently on their wall, which is never good. Take Maria Killam's class, you'll learn that and a lot more, I can promise you. Oh, I told you it was like Christmas. Flint. Ooh, it's my own living room is flint, and so is my son's bedroom. So again, you can see here, Maria's got the color code there for you, the name, and then specifies what it is in terms of color. Oh, this is one of my favorites. Hand down, classic gray. I've definitely used that a few times. Love it. It's got a green undertone, green-gray. So never question the undertone again, because you'll know, especially if you've taken Maria's class, you understand her system, you'll know, but you'll also know because it's written right there on the board. You don't need to guess. Like I said, if you want these color board collections, just been transformational in my business, and I just love them. I'm just so excited to get them. Clients love them. Clients can see. Clients start saying to me, oh, does that one there have a little bit more of a pink undertone? I say, why, yes, it does. And they can start to see that. And I love educating my clients. Doesn't mean they're not going to hire me. It means that they're going to hopefully respect me more because I've shown them something new, and that they can see that I know exactly what I'm talking about, and I've got confidence when it comes to choosing colors. November Rain. It's pretty. I actually really love that color. I've never used it. Have you used that color? 214260 November Rain. Green undertone. Comment below and let me know. Now these ones I have to get a little more creative with. I can't, I'm already using up all of my shelves over there. But again, if you could put them on a shelf, if you could put them on the floor, if you haven't got as much stuff as I have over there on my floor. For now though, I gotta go find more space. Get confidence, get clarity. See links below to these color boards and to Maria Killam's website. If you have any questions, please DM me, and I hope to see you next time. This is what the fan decks are good for. In this video, I'm reviewing Maria's core. No, I'm not. I did that in the first one.